This is my older 34788 AC machine, and it has had a problem where when you go to charge, it would get stuck in the air purge, and it would either run it for 4 minutes and time out, or sometimes it would just sit there and run until the bottle was empty. And I wasn't always around to, you push charge and walk away from it like you normally do. Sometimes I come back and my bottle would be empty, and if you know how much these bottles are these days, it's not acceptable. So called RobinAir. They were kind of hesitant in front to give me any advice. They want you to take it to their service station and pay them, their fee. And the service stations are usually about $600, and then they tell you there's nothing wrong with it, and then you get it back, and it keeps doing the same thing. Or they just try and sell you a new machine, which has been my experience the last 2 times I've been there. I'm like, well, it's not the machine. So get it back, and you get a hold of RobinAir and say, hey, I think these guys don't know what they're talking about. They're trying to sell me a machine. Can you help me out? And so sometimes you can get them to help you. But what I wanted to talk about here was, this is the pressure transducer that sits on the tank here. So how this works is, here's the vent solenoid for the purge. Here's the pressure transducer, and here is the tank temperature. So what this does is it measures the pressure inside the tank, uses it against a pressure table that's built into this voodoo box over here somehow, and it is able to determine how much air is in here as the air is purged out. So as it's purging, this sensor says, okay, no more air, and then it turns off. So most of the time that I've found this twice so far is that it's this little purge solenoid. It's about $145, and you can get them online. But before you go throw your machine away and spend another $5 grand, throw a transducer in it and see if it fixes it.